All right, once you have taken a breath, taken stock of what needs to happen, either you or your representative should contact the person on the other side of the communication. If you get a call, sometimes your first notification that anything is up is a phone call. You're not obligated to talk to that person right away. Even if you happen to answer the phone instead of screening it, because a lot of times state agencies don't have caller ID that identifies the caller as being part of the agency. It just shows up as a generic phone number from the 608 area code in Madison, or it doesn't show up at all. It's perfectly fine and acceptable and probably a good idea to say, can you please send me what you have in writing? I need some time to think about this and to put together a response. And at that point, maybe take stock of your reaction. If it is sheer panic or depression, or if your instinct is to want to send the investigator everything that you've ever done for this person, which can be voluminous in certain circumstances, it may make sense to hire counsel for that. Another thing you may need to do is to put your malpractice carrier on notice. Many malpractice policies have requirements that you notify them at some point, either immediately or when it's time for renewal, about any complaints that were filed against you. And even if there's not a requirement to do it immediately, you may have defense coverage available. And in that case, some policies, it can range from $5,000 to $25,000 to $100,000 in coverage. It varies tremendously by the carrier and by the policy. And it may not even impact your deductible. So in those situations, it makes a lot of sense to put your carrier on notice, and they'll help you get counsel and help you respond in a calm, intelligent, and informed manner. Because what you don't want to do is respond in an emotional manner. You don't want to be defensive. You don't want to say, I didn't do it. You don't want to carpet bomb the agency with 40,000 pages of irrelevant information, even though it's hard not to do that if you think that that'll be helpful. So put another set of eyes on that.